How to delete a file folder on Android. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to delete a file folder on Android. Have you ever found yourself needing to declutter your Android device or organize your files more efficiently? Managing your digital space is key to keeping your device running smoothly, and sometimes that means deleting all or unnecessary files folders. In this video, we will learn how to do it. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. First of all, navigate to the home screen of your Android device. Now you need to locate the File application on your device. Launch Files on your Android device. Once it opens, you need to navigate to where the file folder is located on your device. For now, let's open Internal Storage at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here are all the list of files and folders of your Android device. You need to locate anyone that you want to delete from your Android device. For me, let me choose Taste, File or Folder and tap on three dots next to it. Tap Delete Permanently and a pop-up message appears on the screen. To delete it permanently, tap on Delete button and it will permanently delete it and cannot be undone. Once done, you will not be able to undo it again. That is how we delete a file or folder on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.